Back with me again, Vorhesz, and it's been a while since the last time I made this tutorial of riding scooter. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to brake properly on a scooter. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you which brake it is. This is the right brake leverage, as it's for the front tire or front wheels, and it's the left brake leverage for the rear wheels or the back wheels brake. I recommend you to master this braking using both of the brake leverage with the right timing and the right power, so you can try it just like this, using just your legs, and try to squeeze your brake, to pull it a little bit and hold it so your scooter won't be moving. Okay, also for the left brake, use your legs to move it forward, then brake, and also to move it backwards like this and brake, just like this. Okay, then I'll show you how to brake your scooter. Okay, start the engine and use the throttle, start it. Okay, just relax, having fun, you know. There is nothing real in here, it's just fun. Okay, start it and we go, then brake, and then put the legs down the side like that. Okay, let's try again. Brake. Okay, that's it. Very easy. Okay, braking on the some condition will be harder, just like this. This is soil. This is a little bit harder. You cannot give it like 100% or it will slip and you will crash. So make sure you know where to brake, just like this. I'm braking on the road, it's always safe. Braking like this, it's a very common road. Okay, you need to use your feeling when you try to brake, and use it like simultaneously, almost at the same time. When you squeeze your front wheel brake, that's almost the same time with the rear brake wheels brake. Okay, let's do this again. Brakes. Brakes means stops. It's not about the slowing down, it's about to stop your scooter. Okay, and stop, just like that. Okay, so when you stop, then you put your legs aside like this to keep you stand on a scooter. Stop, just like this, and there you go. You can practicing. Okay, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.